Welcome to Crazy Kids channel. Today we shall see how to multiply the numbers that are near to a multiple of powers of 10. For the tricks related to how to multiply the numbers that are near to powers of 10, if the numbers are above or below or one number is above and other number is below 10, different videos are there and in the description you can find those links. Now if we look at this particular trick, consider two numbers, say here 206 and 208. These are near to 200. So we will take 200 as the base and this is a multiple of 100. The first thing we have to do is check the deviation for both the numbers. First one 200 we have to separate from these two numbers and we will put down the deviations 6 and 8 for these numbers. The left hand side of the product will be obtained by using any one of the four known ways. So I am taking the first way, that is adding the first number with the deviation of the second number. 206 plus 8, that is 214, and to this we have to multiply the number. The base is a multiple of the power of 10, right? Here it is 100. So how much is we are going to multiply this 100 to get the base, that particular number means here it is 2, we will multiply that with this 214 to get the left hand side. So if we perform the multiplication we will get 428. This part gives the left hand side, and for the right hand side we have to take the product of these two deviations. 6 into 8 is 48. This will give the entire result of the multiplication we have taken here. If we take another set of numbers, here we have taken the numbers which are both above the base. Now if we take two numbers and here I am taking 800 as the base, so both the numbers are below the base and the deviations are like -2 and -3 in this case. So first if we want to get the left hand side, what we will do, we will take the first number and with the deviation of the second number, that is 798 minus 3, this will give 795, and to this we have to multiply 8. So if I multiply this number with 8 I will get 6360 and this will give the left hand side, and for the right hand side we just have to multiply both the deviations, that is -2 into -3 is 6, but as my base have got two zeros I will keep it as 06 because the number of digits in this part, the right hand side of the result should be equal to the number of digits in the base, so I am keeping it as 06. For details of why we are keeping this like 06 and all, you can check the another video which deals with the multiplication of numbers below powers of 10. So here we have covered two scenarios. One is above base and the other is below base. Now let us look at the third set where one number is above base and another number is below base. Here I am taking the base to be 400, so that the first one is above 400 and the second one is below 400. And here the first one the deviation is 32 and the second one the deviation is -11. And again to get the left hand side, what we have to do, first number, to that we will add the deviation. Here deviation is -11, so add the deviation -11 and for that we will multiply it with 4. So here 432 minus 11 into 4. After performing this I will get the left hand side, and for the right hand side just multiply both the deviations, that is 32 into -11 I have to do, and this minus 32. As my base has got two zeros, I can keep only two digits from this directly into my result. So if I keep these two digits, we will represent this minus as like this. So we will keep a bar above each and every digit. So if I take the two digits, the 5 and 2 here, I will write it down like this. But this 3 also I have to adjust. So this 3 we will subtract it from the left hand side answer, that is 1684 here. So after subtraction of 1 we will get 1681. So now again we have to adjust these two numbers because they are negative numbers and we can't put down the answer like this. We will take one borrow from here and we will make the adjustment. After taking one as borrow, this will reduce out to be 1680, and then we have to subtract this 52 from 100 and we will put it down to be 48. This is how we will get the result.